In order to make an Animoto video, first go to animoto.com. You can either click Get Started, or if you have a username and password, go ahead and click Login. And then log in. If you are doing this for a classroom, go ahead and if you haven't already, go to Account. And then click Redeem a Promo Code, and this is where you will enter the educator's code if you have not done so already. If yours says anything about you have a promotional status that ends on a certain date, that means you already have it and you're good to go. So next, click Create, and I would go ahead where it says Browse by Category, select All, and first step is to choose a style. You can click on it and it gives you a preview right here. If you like it, hit Create Video. If you don't like it, go back and find a different one. If you come across one that says Upgrade, that means you are not allowed to use it because you don't have the right account. Okay, so make sure it says Create. So I'm just going to do this one, Create Video. In order to create your video, first you need to add text. So click on the Add Text button and you can type. You have 2 lines of text, and this shows you how many letters you have left per line. Hit Save and it adds it right here. Click Add Picture. You can upload it from Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, all these different ones. If you go to Image Library, they have their own preloaded pictures. Or they have their preloaded video clips. So if you want a countdown at the beginning, you can add it, just add it to your video. So I might do add an item, but I want this at the beginning, so I'm just going to move it this way. Okay, you can also upload pictures, and this would be pictures like maybe you found on Google. So let's say I'm going to Google and I want to add this picture. I can right click and go Save Image As. I'm just going to save it to either your drive or to the desktop. Make sure it's named something appropriate, and then save. And then you can just upload it, go to wherever you saved it, click on it, and go Open, and it should open. If it shows this little yellow thing, that means it says it's going to be most likely the file is too small. So it's going to be blurry. So a good thing to keep in mind when you're getting pictures, if you go to Search Tools, go Size, I would do either a medium or a large. That way it won't be blurry. So let me try a different one. So then if I add this, see, that one doesn't have the yellow thing, so that means that one's won't be blurry. So then I can just click on this little setting button and hit delete, and it will delete the image. Okay, I can always rearrange my photos however I want. I can always go back and change the style. In order to change the song, I click on this. They have preloaded songs. You can just select it, or you can upload your own if you have it and it's appropriate. So I'm just going to do that one. Sounds good. So we'll select it. And total video length. This shows you how long your video is so far. Once you're happy, you can go preview video and it will give you a preview. You can watch this if you want. You don't have to watch it. It's okay. If you like your video, you can go ahead and produce it. If not, hit continue editing and it'll take you back to the previous page. So right now I have pretty easy. So I would probably continue editing because that was a pretty short video, but that's basically how you do it. If I'm going to produce it, just make sure you title it something. So about me, It was made today. You're the producer. You don't really need a prescription, and then just hit finish and you're done. And then when you're done, you can go to my videos, and all the videos that you made will be right here. So this is my about me.